Right, okay everybody, first thing you need to do is you need to download some software. There are three pieces of software that you need. You need something called MPEG Stream Clip, which will allow you to import the video from the DVD onto your computer. You then need Movie Maker 2, which will help you to edit it. And then you finally need a free DVD authoring software, which I will show you in a bit. So the first thing is going to be MPEG Stream Clip. You need to download it from their site, which is www.square5.com. So if you click on that, www.squared5.com, there it is, squared5.com, and you download the Windows version of MPEG Stream Clip, which is MPEG MPEG Stream Clip, and download that and install it onto your computer, which I have already done. So I'm going to start up MPEG Stream Clip from the programs here, and there it is on my desktop. So I'm going to double click MPEG Stream Clip. Now I've got the DVD that I'm going to be ripping already in the DVD bay. So basically it'll try and find it. You then go to File on MPEG Stream Clip, Open DVD. So once MPEG Stream Clip's open, you go File, Open DVD, and you navigate to where the your DVD drive is, which is where the DVD is in, and you click that, just highlight it and OK it, and it'll basically take some time to try and find where the information's kept. It'll then load whatever is on that DVD. In your case, it's going to be just your showreel. In this particular case, it's the master showreel, so it's going to be the whole master showreel. But I'm going to just select a small clip of this, and this first one on here is, it's going to crash now. No, it's come back. We're okay. So, other than that slight crash, we're going to now find where the clip is that we want. You basically just move this little timeline here to a particular bit of the DVD. It may take a little bit of time to catch up. There's Amelia's showreel on the first. So I'm going to put an in point, which is, you can either press I on your keyboard. That'll be the beginning of that. That's Amelia Newbold's clip there, and then you can navigate to just a little bit further along to a bit of her showreel. Just left clicking there, and that's the scene with Pedro there. And then you can press O rather on the keyboard, and that's the out. So I for in, O for out, and that'll just choose that little bit of clip there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that little bit of clip out of the DVD and onto our computer. So once you've highlighted the clip that you want to kind of digitize, in your case it'll be the whole showreel probably, so you've got it all there to edit, but in this case just a little test clip that I'm doing. You then go to File, and then Export to AVI. So you want to go to Export to AVI, and there's like, it looks rather complicated, this thing that comes up here. You just want to change the drop down here, which says Apple Photo JPEG to where is it? Apple DV PAL. So you change that to that. Make sure the quality is on 100%. Choose 720x576 unscaled on that option, and that's pretty much everything that you need to choose there. So that's all you have to do. Choose the drop down Apple DV PAL, quality to 100%, and 720x576 unscaled, and then you just basically make AVI button on the bottom right hand corner there. You then find out where you want it to go. In this case it's going to be there. I've already got a file there, but I'm just going to go over this. That's the one I did before. So I'm going to save that in an Amelia folder, which hopefully you've already made, and it says, do you want to replace it? Yes, I do. So, and there it is. It's seeking the in and out, it's preparing, and it's going to be now going through this and encoding and saving it as an AVI. Now we're going to use this AVI to cut in Movie Maker 2. So we've just exported that. If we just look into the folder, we can have a look, and there it is. That's the file there that we've just exported, that little clip. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go to Movie Maker. Now, again, downloading Movie Maker is fairly straightforward. Basically, you just need to type in Movie Maker 2 in Google, and you've got your free Windows Movie Maker that you can download if you haven't already got it on your computer, which you might very well do. And you just download Windows Movie Maker 2, install it on your computer, which again I've already done. So we're now going to start up Windows Movie Maker. and it's just there on my list of things, and there it is. Windows Movie Maker's there. What we're going to do now is we're going to import that clip that we've just created. So File, and import into collections, and we're just going to find that that file. There it is. Import that clip. Here it is importing, and once you've imported the clip into Movie Maker, there it is, Amelia Newbold. That's the clip that we've got. You just drag it into the timeline. So that's the timeline down here. Just drag and drop, and here is your clip here. And as you can see in this area here, there is the clip. So we've got all of that there. Now you press spacebar to stop the timeline, and you can just click around that particular piece that you've imported. Now you can basically edit, and if that's your master clip in there, you've brought that master clip down. You can then use the mouse when it goes into these lines, left and right lines. You can then make this shorter or longer, and it shows you where you are in that clip there. So say for example we want to just go halfway through this clip. So I'm going to just put it there, and maybe take out Amelia's title. We just then take the other side of the clip and bring it in there so that it's gone to black already. So now you've just got that clip up to that bit there, and you now want to take another bit from the show reel. You then bring in again the master clip and drag it down, and you've basically created another master clip that you can then find a new section. Say you just wanted the end there. You use the same principle, and you can just drag the left and right sides to get the end of the master clip. So now our final piece has we've taken the credit out, and it's just black and the little beginning of it, and then it actually cuts to the end of it in the middle. So obviously the principle, and there you can see it jumping there to the clip that we've just done. So that basically is a simple way of cutting your video, and that's the basic principle of how to do it. So each time you want to bring in a new bit of that clip, you bring in the master clip. Just say we just now wanted the Amelia credit just at the beginning, but putting it at the end. So you just bring in that master clip from above, and just using the left and right sides of that clip, create the little bit that you want. So now, of course, we've just put that at the end, and now the Amelia will appear. Her name will appear at the end of that clip.